Hi, my name is Chriselle and thanks for watching this. In this gig, I'll help your TikTok account grow genuinely and organically. The strategy I use is one of the most effective on TikTok. I find your target audience and build connections with them by interaction so that they know that you exist. I'll focus on tasks that increase your engagement and help you connect with the right audiences so you can focus on what's important in running your business. Collectively, I've helped clients reach over 20 million people, earn 56 million impressions, and gain over 150,000 followers. They've also received more than 100,000 profile visits. I've been a seller on Fiverr for over 5 years and have more than 10 years of experience in social media. I've worked with businesses all over the world, and many are repeat customers who have stayed with me for the last 3 years. If you're interested, go ahead and place your order. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I wish you all the best. Thank you.